Good morning, my little learners. Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time. Today we have something very magical to explore together. Are you ready to count with me? Because today's episode is called The Magic Numbers.
Magic numbers? Wow, Miss Lily. Do they glow or float in the air like stars?
Maybe not exactly like stars, Leo, but numbers can be magical because they help us understand the world around us. Every sound, step, and smile has a number behind it. So, let's start our adventure counting from 1 to 10. Ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's imagine we're in a magic garden. The sun is shining and colorful butterflies are flying everywhere. Look, Leo, I see one big, beautiful butterfly. Can you say one?
One. Just one butterfly, and it's yellow.
Perfect. Now, as we walk a little further, look, there are two little birds singing in the tree. Let's count together. 1, 2.
1, 2. And they're singing tweet, tweet.
Oh, that's right. Numbers and sounds together. Beautiful harmony. Now, let's keep walking. Wow! I see 3 red apples hanging from the tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. I wish I could eat one.
Maybe after class, Leo. Now, what's that behind the bush? Oh, look! 4 cute rabbits hopping around.
1, 2, 3, 4. They're so fluffy.
Excellent! You're getting so good at this. And if we listen carefully, do you hear that sound? Croak? Croak? That's right! 5 frogs near the pond. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frogs jumping. Wow, Miss Lily, this garden is full of surprises.
Oh, yes, Leo. And it's about to get even more magical. Look over there. 6 shiny stones glowing under the sun. Can you count them with me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They look like magic gems.
Beautiful imagination, Leo. You see, counting helps us notice things. It trains our eyes and our mind. Now, let's find what's next. Oh, 7 colorful flowers blooming.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My favorite is the blue one.
Wonderful. And look, flying around those flowers, 8 buzzing bees. Let's count slowly so we don't scare them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow, 8 bees working so hard. They look busy making honey.
Exactly. Every bee knows its job. Just like numbers, they have order and meaning. Now, let's look near the big tree. I see 9 shiny ladybugs on the leaves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're so tiny and red.
Perfect counting, Leo. And finally, look above us, in the sky. Do you see the rainbow? How many colors can we count?
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, but the rainbow has 10 sparkles shining through the clouds.
You did it, Leo. 10! 1 to 10. We counted all the magic around us.
Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's fantastic. But wait, I think there's a little surprise. When we count backwards, we can make the numbers disappear like magic. Ready to try?
Like magic? Let's do it!
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and poof!
The magic garden is gone. That was so cool.
See, Leo? Numbers can make things appear and disappear. That's the power of learning. When you count, you're not just saying words, you're understanding the rhythm of life.
Miss Lily, I think I finally understand. Counting helps us see the world with new eyes.
Exactly, Leo. And remember, every time you count, you grow a little smarter. You can count your toys, your steps, your friends. Everything has a number.
I'm going to count everything when I get home. My crayons, my books, even my cookies.
Just don't eat them before you finish counting, okay?
No promises, Miss Lily.
All right, my little learners. Let's review together. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect! You're all amazing! I'm so proud of you, Leo, and everyone listening at home, too.
Thank you, Miss Lily. I love learning numbers. They really are magical.
They sure are, Leo. And remember, little listeners, learning English can be fun when you play, imagine, and talk with your heart.
Yeah, English is an adventure.
That's right. And next time on Tiny Talk Time, we'll go on another adventure, maybe into the world of colors or shapes. So don't miss it.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep counting and smiling.